in life than to help their best friend, so than to help the hero. So they are always ready to help him, and they are always there for him. They do weird stuffs for him, they do every work that is required, and sometimes end up even spoiling or even getting killed in the process. So these best friends are a special trope in Bollywood. Let us get to know them in detail. Okay, so the first detail, or the first important importance of best friend, is for comic relief. So you can, whenever we say about comic relief, you cannot overlook Shakti Kapoor in Raja Babu or Shakti Kapoor in Judwa. He has been there as a comic relief for the with the hero. He is always there to help him. But apart from that, his main purpose in the movie is to help the hero. So apart from Shakti Kapoor, we have seen many actors who portray the role of the comic relief in the movie. Next is friend for exposition. Why this friend trope is required is because the best friend is there so that the audience gets to know what the hero or the heroine is actually feeling. So they convey their thoughts, their feelings through this best friend to the audience. So if there are times when the actor cannot portray or cannot depict his emotions directly to the audience, so he uses the best friend to get his word through across the audience. So these best friends serve a type of exposition. So the best friend, another trope or another important aspect of best friend is that they know the hero or the heroine very well. So they even when you see the case of Zishan Ayub in Ranjana or Vikrant Mase in Lutera, they know the actor or they know the character very well, and they are with the hero as the second skin to him, because they are always there with him and they are always showing him the right path. Then we come to best friend who sacrifices. Once we know that about Kamal Hassan in Sagar movie, we have seen that he is the one who sacrifices his life. So the another important aspect of best friends included, which can be the best friend who sacrifices his life in the process. He is there so that the hero and the heroine, or the actor and the actress, can get together. So he is seen as a collateral person in the whole triangle, and he is serving the purpose of fighting the villains and getting killed in the process. Next is the best friend who completes the hero. So have you ever imagined Fukre without Chuche, or Jay without Viru? So these are the not only the best friend, but they serve as the mirror image of the hero, and they are always there with him. So when we talk about Jay and Viru, here also the character of Viru gets killed in the movie. Now, we cannot, in the past, we have just seen that the best friends were there to act as a foil or act as a support or anchorage to the hero or the heroine. But nowadays, we are seeing these best friends get evolved. They are the ones who will show the right path to the protagonist who is disillusioned or is going on the wrong path. So, as we have seen in Bala, we have seen Bhumi Pednekar's character being as a foil, or being the righteous friend who shows the right path to Bala's character. So he is disillusioned by the fact that he can cover up his imperfections, and that is the way to lead life. But she shows him that covering up imperfections is not the way to go, or even he has to accept his imperfections. He has to be confident of his imperfection. She is shown as a brown skinned girl, but she has accepted who she is. But Bala is not in terms with, and he has not accepted about his baldness. So he is disillusioned, and here Bhumi's character comes as a best friend who shows the right path. She is not that sugar coated best friend who will be always there for the hero no matter what, but she is the one who speaks her mind, and she even fights, or she's not on good terms with Bala's character in the movie, but she shows him the right path. Another example would be Satish Kaushik's character in Kyunki Main Jhoot Nahi Bolta, because he is the one who is always there as a righteous friend. He tries to, though his character is not so head front or not so headstrong, but he does speak his mind and shows the right path to the character who is disillusioned by the fact that he can get away with lies. Satish Kaushik's character may be the jolly character with not such a strong mind, but he is the one who speaks out his opinions. Though Govinda does not initially follow his opinions, his advice in the beginning, but ultimately he gets to know that his friend was right. Another example of this would be Vikrant Massey's character in Half Girlfriend, where Vikrant Massey's character always he is the righteous friend who is the quintessential person who is always doing everything right in his life. He is studying, he is setting up, and when we get to the second half of the movie, we see that he has set up a good life for himself in New York. So we see him as the righteous friend. He tries his best to show the right path to Arjun Kapoor's character. He makes him realize his mistakes, and he also he also fights with him so that he can be on the right path. But Arjun, sadly, he ignores his advice and ends up being in a difficult position because of that. So, had he followed Vikrant Massey's advice, he would have been in a better place. But Arjun Kapoor goes on to be the sad typical Bollywood hero who ends up getting the girl. But with Vikrant Massey's character is the headstrong best friend who shows the right path. Another best friend trope is the one who takes revenge. So this is a very tangy situation where we see the best friend is not the puppet show in the hero's or the heroine's hand. He actually and he's not there to show the right path. He actually makes the life hell for the hero. So just as we see Rajkumar Rao character in Bareli Ki Barfi, we see him make Ayushman Khurrana's life hell, because Ayushman plans on getting the girl, but he comes as a speed breaker in the process, and he becomes the villain, at least temporarily. So he acts as a best friend who takes revenge. So all we can see that all is not goody goody in the best friend scenario over here. And another example would be Salman Khan's character in No Entry, where Anil Kapoor is shown to have messed with Salman Khan's character in the beginning, trying to show his true colors and true personality. But then Salman Khan starts to make life hell for Anil Kapoor by bringing Bipasha into the equation of his marriage. Another example would be Akshay Kumar's character in Mujhse Shaadi Karogi, where he makes Salman Khan's life hell, and not only ultimately not only gets very close to getting the girl, but also takes the revenge or takes the advantage of his hot-headedness. Next is the best friend who sighs and who becomes the simp. So we see that sometimes when the equation is so close, the best friend can end up falling in love with the protagonist. So here we see the best friend who is becoming the simp, who is liking the protagonist, but he cannot say. So one example would be the English Ma'am's or the English Madam's character in Lagan, where she not only helps Amir Khan and his team win the match, but also ends up falling in love with him. Um next example would be the in the character, the inspector's character in Kahani, where he falls in love with Vidya Balan's character, and he is the best friend who tries to help her through all the situation throughout the movie. But at the end, we see him being smitten by the Vidya Balan and being in love with her. Now next comes the good part of this trope is that best friend who gets rewarded. We have seen best friends getting killed, best friends messing up their lives because of the hero or the heroine. But here we see the few movies where we see the best friend is getting rewarded, as in terms of Rangila, when we see the character of Amir Khan, he is the best friend to Urmila Matondkar, and he falls in love with her. And throughout the movie, we can classify Amir Khan's characters as the simp or the best friend who gets smitten by Urmila. But at the end, we see him getting rewarded and he gets the girl. Next example would be Saif's character in Kal Ho Na Ho, uh, where he is actually the simp, plays the role of the simp or the best friend who is actually smitten by Preeti Zinta, but and a love triangle is formed, and he is the best friend who ultimately gets Preeti Zinta's hand in marriage. So we see that these characters are getting rewarded for their for being the best friend, for always doing the best for their main character. So yes, these were the points where we have seen different types of best friends in different scenarios and how they are important in Bollywood movies. Hope you enjoyed the videos. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.